C'est incroyable! So big! My God! This was our plan since the beginning, but it still feels like magic to see land. 4 days of navigation brought us to Antarctica. Smith Island was shining above the horizon.
They're here! Yes, we're not in the Atlantic Ocean anymore, in the tropical waters anymore.
Oh my goodness!
For us, terrestrial beings, it was the first sign of the white continent. But Antarctica was already there. Its deep water circulation was multiplying life. Petrels, albatrosses, orcas and humpback whales were showing us the presence of the Antarctic Sea. On board, we investigate deep waters.
So now I think we're about 60 nautical miles from the Antarctic Peninsula, and so we're doing the last rosette of the transect, the one that is the closest from the coast, but not the last rosette of the trip, obviously, just the last one of the Drake Passage. We can see land, which is very exciting. We're seeing our first ice and our first glimpse of the Antarctic continent, so it's very exciting and we're very happy. 200 meter depth, when 198, but 200 in pressure, and I'm gonna close the first bottle now. So in 200 meters, it's back on deck. We're getting into like colder and colder temperatures, and
we had to Melchior Islands to see the divers of Under the Pole.
Et là, on commence à voir aussi l'île où on va arriver pour retrouver le wild Under the Pole.
J'ai des vides avec glaçons et je prends pas mal de pluie et de vent aussi.
Malizia pour le wild Under the Pole. Je crois qu'ils ont entendu la VHF.
Since the beginning of the summer, they have been sailing in Antarctica to make deep dives and explore unknown underwater forests.
And the moment I saw the first iceberg, I felt like crying.
Allez, on fait route vers, je vous attends.
It's like the welcome tea.
I feel like I don't think I've ever felt before, like walking on someone else's planet and being a guest that is here. It's quite something.
No worries.
Second. Nice to see you.
We just gave the food to another pole for the next month. Fresh food, because they meat and vegetable and fruits, I guess. Now they're good to go. And we're gonna stay together for the next month.
My name is Guilain Bardou. I'm a diver, of course, and I'm really passionate about underwater exploration and polar region. We are going to work together for the conservation of the peninsula and especially what we do at sea at depth while diving. And we are going to live together for 15 days campaign. Super nice.
Sailing among icebergs, it's facing its strength and its fragility. These pieces of frozen water are about to melt and join the world sea. The last time I was here, I was still a child, and I hear the screams of the gentle penguins as if I still was. Life in such a hostile place seems unlikely if we only see the surface. Most of it happens in the deep. It's a world that was inaccessible and unknown to humans until now.
So they are diving like in the south part of Neumaya Channel.
And it's called Neumaya Channel.
Neumaya, yeah.
Under the boat they find something very interesting underwater, so they discovered one of those marine animal forests, what we came here to study. So now the goal is to try to collect as much information about this area. So they're doing a lot of science while diving, but here our goal is also to do science with the boat and to characterize a little bit the region where we can find those forests.
Where are we arriving?
We are arriving on top of the marine forest at under the pole found 2 days ago, and just next to Port Croix, and we are about to do some CTD cast to take measurements on top of the forest and then see what Léa can find. Very exciting. You have like one piece of ice and just come like next to the cable. But it's okay.
It's different, it's challenging because since the depth is changing quite fast, we need to maintain the position more than usual. And then you have icebergs, so you have to be careful that the rosette is not getting tangled with an iceberg. These rosettes are a bit more stressful, a bit more strategic, but it's worth it because we get good and interesting data. Quite crazy that it's really like we're all together measuring the same spot with the little penguins. I think this rosette cast might be the best that we've done yet. The rosette is in the waters, the divers from under the pole are also under the water. They're probably 100 meters from us. A lot of data being collected at the same time.
Yeah, this is the third day of sampling here in Antarctica with Malizia Explorer and Under the Pole together. Here we are with the CTD in the water as well as sampling some water in different heights to understand the currents and its relationship with the marine animal forests.
Ideally, I would like one more inward in the fjord, so about here, and another one closer to the coast, so shallower one
To the
toward
south.
the south.
To the exit of the channel.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go for it.
C'est quand même un cadre assez idéal pour faire une rosette. Je peux surveiller ma rosette, surveiller les baleines, les voir sonder, avoir la vue sur les glaciers.
Pretty awesome to think that all of that water that is surrounding us, deep down, is providing 50% of the oxygen that we breathe through the plankton.
So today we have a lot of visibility and we're able to see quite far. And over there we have the Le Mer channel, or Kodak channel, which is a quite famous channel because it's super beautiful. And it's between like two islands which are quite high. I'm just shocked. We are surrounded by 10, maybe more whales, and they are just eating around us. And like, they got so close to the boat that we could hear them speaking. I'm shocked. I've never seen something like that in my whole life.
It's the best evening we ever had.
This can't be like what else? There's nothing to add.
This is incredible. They're everywhere. On port side, on the other side, in front.
It's whales having dinner and we're having dinner, and we try to be as synergetic as possible.
This was our plan since the beginning, to dive, to sail, to measure, to explore. Here we are, surrounded by creatures that know much more than us. Only they can imagine what we are about to find.